In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger notifications not working on your iPhone. Let's get started by checking some basic settings on your iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. If it's enabled, indicated by a crescent moon symbol, tap on it to disable this mode. This feature silences calls and notifications, which is likely why you're not receiving Messenger alerts. While you're in the control center, check if low power mode is activated. If you see an icon resembling a battery with a yellow background, tap it to turn off low power mode as well. This mode can limit background activity for apps like Messenger. Now that those settings are checked, let's open up the Messenger app. Tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for Settings and tap on it. Scroll down until you find Notifications and Sounds. Once in Notifications and Sounds, check if Do Not Disturb is enabled specifically for Messenger. If it is, simply toggle off the switch next to it to ensure notifications come through without interruption. Next, exit out of Messenger and head back to your iPhone's main Settings app. Scroll down until you see Notifications and tap on it. Scroll through your list of apps until you find Messenger. Once located, tap on it to access its notification settings. Ensure that Allow Notifications is enabled. It's crucial that all alert types are active. Check that lock screen, notification center, and banners are turned on as well as sounds and badges. Now tap on Show Previews. Select Always. This setting ensures that message previews will be visible whenever they arrive. Finally, after making all these adjustments, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can often resolve lingering issues with notifications. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.